Hi, it's Stuart here from Clibbery Walks and Wild Camps. Today is Halloween, 31st of October 2020, and we're getting a wild camp in, probably before the country gets locked down because of the dreaded virus. We're in a piece of woodland on a private country estate, and I'd like to say thank you very much to Chris for allowing us to come here. It's very grateful. We're going to go and find a nice place to pitch up. I'm with Davey and Keith tonight, and we should have a really good time, and I hope you enjoy coming along with us. Because I'm pretending that we're not camping with wheelbarrows.
The only way to fly, baby. Right, don't start pitching it yet.
Right, okay. What is that then?
You can have a tent off.
A tent on.
Tent off.
Which Davey will inevitably win, because I've never pitched this before.
It will if he's remembered to pack. Oh yeah, there they are.
Right, well, we tried to pretend that this is a roughy tufty camp, but you'll notice the wheelbarrow by Davey's tent. We're actually camping on a glamping site during the closed months. There's Keith setting up the tarp for us to cook under tonight, and it's absolutely beautiful here. We're losing the light a little bit now, but it's an amazing place.
Here's Johnny!
We got Davey's Fjallraven Abisco 2 Lite, and my brand new, first time put up today, Abisco 1 Lite. Now this is my tent for Scotland next year, and then we've got, go around, and we've got
do the buttons up properly.
Keith in the Vaude Terra Hogan
2P.
Oh, 2P. So yeah, it's all good. Wildlife pond over there. After a really rainy start, we've got a fantastic day, and it's good to be alive, guys.
Ooh, yeah.
It's good to be alive. Wind's just started blowing, a bit of drizzle in it. Quite chilly. Keith's just packing the tarp up for reasons. Right, guys, well, here we are inside the new Abisco 1 Lite. Plenty of space, really big vestibule, and I'm on my big mountain equipment winter camping mattress, and it's like sleeping on a radiator. I know a lot of people say that, but you can just feel the warmth coming off it. Plenty of vestibule space in this little tent, but we've had a shower. I'll come inside for a few minutes. I'm gonna have a beer and a bag of crisps and then think about going back outside. Anyway, we're enjoying it. We're just saying you make of it what you do. You can't stop at home and stay inside every time the weather is just a little bit inclement, or you miss out opportunities. So yeah, making the most of it, loving it.
There you go.
Scenes from camp.
Shift all your shit so I
Your
can prep.
mushrooms,
Mushroom.
veggies. I'll set my beer. Move that out of the way for you.
Yep. Having a bit of fun.
Yeah, it's that time of year.
Yeah.
It's a venison casserole on the way. Camping in style with Davey and Keith.
Oh yeah.
Davey, happy?
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
It's the way to do it.
Fabulous camp spot. Cheers, Chris.
Cheers, Chris.
Much appreciated.
Oh yeah.
We brought this fire pit with us, by the way.
Yeah.
Morning, morning. It's the best night's sleep I've had in a tent in such a long time. So warm. I actually had to unzip my sleeping bag at about 3 o'clock, and I'm just lying underneath it. The mountain equipment aerostat down 7 Matt is doing such a fantastic job keeping me warm. Also the sleeping bag, which is my snug pack Special Forces 2, really toasty. So I hear a bit of drizzle outside. It rained quite heavily in the night at some points, and ready for a bit of a mouthful of orange juice, and then start the job of packing up. I might have an extra 10 minutes so listen to the radio. The tent light, incidentally, is a 10 quid one off Amazon. Davey put me onto these, and again, absolutely excellent. So we're breaking camp now. It's quite a nice morning. We had quite a lot of rain in the night, some very heavy wind. Tent didn't move. Very impressed with that. There's Davey packing away his Abisco 2. Keith packing away his Vaude Terra Hogan. And give it 20 minutes, it'll be like we've never been here. So this is where we had our fire last night, and the kitchen on that table. We left no trace. All the remains of our stay is just 3 patches of flattened grass.
Oh yeah.
There's the lads, Keith and Davey.
All the leave no trace rubbish.
Yep, we're good boys. We're just leaving site now. Davey's getting the gate, trying to race up to Hillside Dog Hotel and get those pups back. Here we are going down the bank to Hillside Dog Hotel. I cannot recommend this place enough. Really good. It's a testament to the maxim, you get what you pay for. Hang on, here we go. The dogs cannot wait to get through the door, and they have a great time here. There we go. It's a lot less chucking it down with rain than it was when I dropped them off yesterday. And that brings this video to a close. Thanks for coming along for our wild camp and adventure in the woodland. Thanks very much, Chris. I know we've said it a few times, but very grateful for letting us go on the land. The dogs are happy, and let's go home and deal with the mountain of wet kit. Catch you again, and it'll be good to see you for another Clibbery walk and wild camp.